Hi students, in this exercise we are going to learn how to create alignment by layout tools in Civil 3D. As we have made an alignment from Polyline in the previous exercise, so let's now look at another creation option, which is create by layout. So you will see a polyline here in your drawing. It is provided by the planner, but instead of the converting from polyline, we will trace the alignment. Although this seems like duplicate work, but it will pay dividends in the relationships created between segments. So open your drawing 602, which you can download from the description link, and from the create design panel here, alignment, and create alignment creation tools. The create alignment dialog box will appear, and you can change road name as road D if it is not already set. Verify that alignment style is set to propose, okay, and alignment level set is should be major and minor. Then click OK to accept the other settings by default. So the alignment layout tools bar for road D appears, if you see, and when you will hover your cursor, it will show you the first one. We have tangent commands and curve settings. Then we have insert PI command. Then we have delete PI and break apart PI. Then we have line command, then curve command. Here we have line and spiral commands, then curve and spiral commands, and here spiral commands. Then here convert AutoCAD line and arc commands. So again we have reverse sub entity directions, then delete entity, and here we have edit best fit data, then pick sub entity, and here we have sub entity editor. Then at the end here we have alignment grid view, and then undo and redo under the alignment creation tools. So click the down arrow next to the tangent commands tool at the far left, and select the tangent with curves option. Okay, this tool places a curve automatically based on a default settings that is defined under the curve and spiral settings option from the same menu. Okay, so later we will adjust the curves based on our design preferred layout. Now turn on the end point or snap, and snap to the north end point of the road D center line. Okay, continue to picking the vertices endpoint of the red polyline along the road D center line from north to south and then east to finish creating this alignment. So let's do it again. Endpoint, here we have endpoint. Again press shift and select endpoint, and here we have then endpoint, and here we have also endpoint. Okay, and again endpoint, which is here and then here. So after selecting the last endpoint along the red polylines, press enter to enter the command and click the cross buttons at the upper right on the alignment layout tools toolbar for road D to close it. So keep this drawing open for the next portion of exercise and zoom in around the areas with arcs and notice that some of them are follow very closely desired layout, while others are off by a huge margin from what the planner envisioned as design parameter for those arcs. So that's okay, we will fix them in the next exercise, and we will use some other tools in the next exercise for alignment creations. So stay tuned with us for the next exercise.